Hey guys, it is Friday night. I'm out here in the shop. My buddy Gabe's on his way down here right now. He's going to help me degree the camshaft in the 546. Hopefully we can get that done pretty quick so he don't have to stay too late. But I'm going to get right into tearing the fuel pump drive, the balancer, get all that stuff pulled off the motor, and hopefully you guys enjoy. We're changing this cam. It had a bullet nitrous grind camshaft in it, and now thanks to Jason Gwaltney and Kelly Chambers, I have an Urson's camshaft, performance camshaft, that's going to go in it. This is a 55 millimeter cam core, and we're obviously changing it from a nitrous profile to a turbo profile. So anyways, we'll get right into it. All right, guys, it is Saturday afternoon. Last night we got the cam degreed, as you guys seen. Worked out pretty good. Thank you to Gabe for coming down, helped me with that. The next step is I need to get the intake manifold sent off to probably Wilson and have the injector rails and bungs put in the intake manifold. I got to take the oil pan off of it and get the oil drain backs for the turbos welded in the pan, and then after that I'll probably put the motor back in the car, even if the intake manifold doesn't have the injector rails, so then I can start wiring the car. Hopefully I can keep up with these videos and keep the content good. I know the time-lapse videos are kind of tough sometimes, but when I'm filming by myself, that's about all I can do. without changing directions. And I mean, as much as I want to make good content, I also need to keep moving forward with the car. So sometimes it's either film or make progress. And here lately, I've been just wanting to make some progress, get this thing done, and the content's going to get great after the car's done. I promise you guys that. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoy. That'll probably do it for this video. And please like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Later. Oh, I forgot, guys. I also, throughout the week, I got a little bit more sheet metal work done. I'll show you guys what I got done. I got the firewall done for the from the cab into the trunk. All I got left is these two panels here. And then from the quarter panel up to here, you can kind of see how floppy that is. I'm going to build a tube that goes welds to here, and then I'll bolt it down to the quarter panel. That should give it some rigidity, so if it shakes the tires or anything like that, that quarter panel won't come in and accidentally grab the tire and tear a tire up or roll the quarter panel in or whatever. But anyways, that's going to do it for this video. We'll see you guys later.